Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we even get started on this video, please hit the subscribe button down below, the red button right now, and please don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week, first come, first serve. So if you want to know how these cleansing oil-free Pro Acne Neutrogena makeup wipes or towelettes work, I did a review on it, so if you want to know how it turned out, keep on watching. Hey guys, do you remember me doing a makeup haul back a while ago, and these were in it, and I said that I would do a tutorial on it? Well, I'm going to do a tutorial, and my hair is a mess. It is up. I am not going to wear it like this today. I just put it up for this video. So I have one of these left. I've been using it and trying it out, testing it out. And I'm telling you guys, I do not like these at all. Like, they smell awful. They have a pink grapefruit scent. And, like, it's so gross. Like, and one thing I have to say before I show you guys, they are acne prone skin, so they help with acne. Sorry, my nose is itching where my nose ring is. And I noticed after a while that they started giving me like little bumps on my skin. So I was looking in the mirror. Like, they pretty much like went away, but there are some still there. And I don't really have acne. I got a pimple once when my very first pimple on my nose when I was 12 years old. Now, like, that's the only time. But lately, as I got older, I have been getting more acne on my skin because I take certain medicines that can cause that. So I don't know if it's normally this, but I thought it was supposed to, like, take them away. And I actually got, like, more pimples on my face. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but there are some there. So I'm not saying that this isn't for you, but I'm saying I won't get this one again. Like, that's just my preference. I won't get it again. So, yeah. It says Neutrogena oil-free cleansing wipes. Pink grapefruit, acne prone. These are soft, pre-moist wipes throughout cleansed skin, pore clogging, all within an uplifting blast of pink grapefruit. Wipes are ideal for acne-prone skin. So it is for acne-prone skin. And, like, I do get, like, pimples, and when I was using this, I got acne on my face. Wipes clean with no greasy residue, so there's no need to rinse. Dermatologist tested, oil-free, allergy tested. So these are, like, recommended or something. I'm not really sure, but they were dermatologist tested, so a dermatologist tested them out. Yeah, they have 25 cleansing towelettes. Yeah, swipes away pore clogging dirt and oil in a one simple naturally diverted grapefruit extract. So they smell like grapefruit, and trust me, they do. They're like overly powerful to me with grapefruit. So, I don't know. I did not like them, but I am going to show you, like, in a demo thing, how they work, but I won't be getting them again. And one thing I want to say is I picked them up from Target. They were $5.99, I would say, close to $6. So I usually get the hydrating boost one, and I wanted to try these ones out because they help with acne, but in the long run, they didn't help me at all. So I'm switching back to the ones I normally use. And I got a 2-pack of the Hydrating Boost, and they are from the same brand, Neutrogena. These are Neutrogena, like the other ones. And I got those, I got those in a 2-pack at Ulta Beauty for like $13.99. So I saved quite a bit of money for two. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna show you now. So I'm opening this up, taking this out. This is what it looks like, all opened. And I'm just gonna take it and start rubbing it on my face. Like, this is so, oh, I do not like the smell of it. Get it down on my neck because I do put foundation there. So, see, it got my little bit of makeup off that I had on my face. So, there you have it. My skin feels a lot better, but the smell of it, and it caused me acne, is like, I'm so done with it. So I'm going to finish up. I'm going to time lapse my makeup so I don't bore you guys, and come back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this Neutrogena acne-free oil cleansing wipes. This is how it turned out. I forgot to take a before and after picture, but you saw the results at the end before I did the rest of my makeup in a time lapse. And overall, these were just not for me. They say that they help with acne. They're acne prone skin, and I don't think they are, because they didn't help my skin at all. I actually got acne on my face from using these. So it might be different for you. It's probably different for everyone. And this was my first time first round using these. I'm not saying that they're bad for everyone. They're just not for me. So if you have used this product and you want to tell me about it, you can. Please leave a comment down below, or if you test them out, please let me know. And don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.